welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you a combination video of my building my makeup collection and my monthly favorites for the month of February. The reason that I am joining these two is that I have been very good this month and I have not shopped at all. I have just purchased one item this entire month, and which is why it didn't make sense to create its own building my makeup collection. And since this month has been a lot more about treating my acne, I'm sorry I don't want to share my skincare at the moment because my acne treatment is dermatologist. I'm talking to a dermatologist, and my acne treatment that way is very medical. So I don't think it's okay for me to share that, because you might decide that you want to use these products just because they're working for me or they have been prescribed for me. But at the same time, I think it's very important that you talk to your own dermatologist before you start your own acne treatment. Having said that, there are a few items that I can share, and most of them are makeup related. So without much further ado, let's first get starting with the one BMMC item. The one item, the only item that I have purchased this month has been my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I bought it in the shade 140 Golden Beige, and I chose this color for myself. It is a little too golden for me. These days I am a little more pink undertoned, I believe. So I think I should have gone for I think 145 Rose Beige or something, slightly with a slightly rosier undertone, but I have learned to make this work for me, so that's good. And you'll be seeing a lot more of this in upcoming videos. So far it's okay. It's a little heavy coverage and it's getting very hot where I live, so I'm not enjoying using this a lot, but it's a very good winter foundation, so keep that in mind. For summer it's a little heavyweight. I would like to mix a little bit of moisturizer and sheer it out a little bit and then use it. So you will be seeing more updates on how I'm using this in future videos. It is the foundation that I'm wearing today. So this is the only item. As far as my monthly favorites go, I only have very few items, and with that, let's just get started. My first monthly favorite has been this moisturizer. This is the Acne Moist Moisturizer. This is something that was prescribed to me by my dermatologist. This is something that moisturizes dry but acne prone skin, and that's exactly what I've been having these days. So I really have been loving it. At the same time, if you decide to go and buy this, just consult your dermatologist beforehand, because even though I did get it over the counter, I didn't need a prescription for it. I'm not sure how good or bad it will be for different types of skin. That's currently working for me, but back when I was living in Delhi, this would not have worked for me at all, because even though it says acne moist, it is not for oily skin in my opinion. So keep that in mind. And yeah, the next thing that I have really been loving is something that you've seen a lot, and it is my Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal. I'm almost finished with it. Oh, that came off. Anyway, I'm almost finished with it. This is all that there is left behind, and the loss hurts me, but I'm very glad that I have managed to finish it, because now I can go and buy a new one, so that's always a good thing. I have been really loving this. And the last item in my favorites list makeup wise has been the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. I've been experimenting with this like nobody's business, and at one point I even used this as an overall setting powder, and not for daytime but for evening time it did work out. I went out with my friends at night for dinner, and I did wear this all over my face, and it gave me a nice dewy finish without being over the top glittery or emphasizing my pores. But this will only work for night time, so keep that in mind. I have really been enjoying this. This is a really short and sweet video. This is all that I have to show you for now. If you enjoyed this, then don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment whatever you have in mind. If you have used any of these products, then let me know. If you have some monthly favorites that I have not ever mentioned in my entire history of videos, then let me know what you have been loving this month. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Wait, All of my social media will be linked in the description box, so don't forget to follow me all over there. And now I will see you in my next one. Bye.